welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you with another 3 quick hairstyles, and they are braided. So this is the braided series, and they're super easy, super fun, super flirty, and yeah, they're super cute, especially right now during the summer. You really don't want your hair down. You want to have it either like in a braid, or you want to have it in a bun, or you want to have it just out of your front, the back, anywhere. So this is for you. So stay tuned.
Alright guys, so our first hair tutorial is going to be a French braid, but it's going to be a little twist and it's going to be for beginners. So we're going to go ahead and part our hair. You can either do it through the middle or you can do it on the side. I prefer to do it on the side just because I like the side action going on. You can go ahead and use a comb or use my nail like I just did. You're going to go ahead and part the second side that you're not going to be working on right now. That way, it doesn't grab hairs from the other side. Okay, so you're going to be grabbing a medium strand of hair, a medium section of hair, and you're going to split that into 2. And that's all we're going to be working on the first part of the braid. So you're going to be getting those 2 sides and you're going to twist it. And every time you get a new amount of hair and pull it back. You see that one? Now I get more hair and pull it back and bring the other side in and get more. And then you're going to be doing that all the way till probably like your ear area. From there, we're going to do a normal braid. So we're just going to go ahead and continue. And we're about right there. So we're going to grab the back part, and that's going to be your third piece for the braid. And now you're going to go ahead and continue to do a normal braid. So in, out, and we're going to go ahead and finish up the braid. And this is perfect, guys, if you don't know how to do a French braid. This is an alternative, and this gets you out the door. Boom, boom, boom. And look, we're already done with one side. And if you want the braid to be super neat, flyaways, then go ahead and put gel, hairspray. I usually like it messy. I don't really like it perfect, but it is up to you guys, however you guys want to do it. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and start working on the other side. Comb it through with your hands, and you're going to repeat the same steps that we did on the other side. You're going to go ahead and get a medium section of hair. You're going to part it into 2 pieces, and then you're just going to twist, grab more hair, twist, and grab more hair every time that you twist. And the hair, you're only going to grab from the front, not from the back. So it just makes it so much easier and so much faster. You see? So just keep twisting. And this is perfect for the moms out there, or for the working girl, woman who has to be at work at 9:30 and you're waking up at 9:15. This is for you. There you go. You see how easy it is? And just go ahead and continue to do the normal braid all the way down. Once you've completed the braid, you have an option. You can either leave it like this, or for me, I kind of like to fluff it out so the braid looks thicker. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of pull, slowly pull, because you don't want to mess up your braids. And just make it thicker, you see? So just slowly, just make it thicker to your liking. And bam, there you go. And we're done with that part. Now, if you don't want the braids, I'm giving you an alternative. You can have 2 buns. You see, all you do, just flip it around, get another little headband, and just go ahead and wrap it. So you see, you have 2 hairstyles. Bam. So it just depends what you want. You could do a lot of things with a little bit of time, and it looks like you did the maximum effort. And then just go ahead and secure it, and boom, now you have a wannabe French braid and 2 buns. and you're ready to go out the door. You see, it was super easy, fast, simple, and you look super cute. Now for the last one, let's take his hair down. Bam. Woo. All right, you see how easy that was? Okay, so go ahead and part your hair whatever side you prefer. I did on the side, and we're gonna repeat the same steps. Just grab like a middle section of your hair and split it into two, and we're gonna do the same method. Just keep on grabbing hair every time that you twist, and grab more hair, twist. You see, it's super easy and super simple. I really wish I had a timer so I can show you exactly how long it takes, but it is really fast. Okay, and right here is where we're gonna go ahead and split it into a normal braid. So I'm gonna grab the hair from the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the two strands with one hand while I use the other hand to grab the rest of the hair. Okay. And you see, let me just wrap it around. Comb your hair with your hands. There you go. So now that is going to be the third part of the braid, because you need 3 strands for the braid. And there you go. And just now you're going to go ahead and do a normal braid. And if your last strand, the one that you just pulled over, is thicker than the other 2, go ahead and while you're doing the braid, grab a little bit more hair from there and do it from the bottom portion. That way you can't really see from the top that's what you did. It's kind of hidden. Okay, so go ahead and secure that. And then for me, I like it more fluffed out, so I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps. Bam. You see, and just gently. Don't go too crazy because it can mess it up. And if you see, the more that you pull on it, the more volume, the thicker, and you can really perfectly see the braid. And then now with this, it's just gonna make your braid thicker. You see? And the last part, and this is totally optional, I like to grab pieces just to shape my face, but if you want more of a clean look, yeah, you don't have to do this part. But I just like to pull 3. I usually just do 3, the side, 2 sides, and then I like that part. There you go. This part is the more tricky part because this one can really mess up the hair. And you see? And you can go ahead and grab a curler, and just if you want to curl it to have like that perfect little curl. But I'm just gonna let it go as is.
And there you go, guys, 3 hairstyles that we did, and they're all the braided series. I really hope that you enjoyed them. I really want to see them. Go ahead and just tag me on them if you try them out. DM me, let me know, give me feedback. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next hair tutorial or makeup tutorial, whatever it is coming at you. But see you guys next Sunday.